Here's the beet. See how big it is? And you can put your beet leaves in your salads. These is just sun scorched. The sun burned them up and cut them off. But that's a beet. Let me see. Other ones need a little bit more time, but that's the biggest one we have right now. And these are some of the string beans that's coming along. You see we have string beans. And they are up in here all over the place. Let's see if I can get another shot. There goes some more. That will be big. And this is some that I harvest today. Huge. And this is some of the flowers you'll see on your bush beans. So pretty. Purple. Purple. Bunch of flowers. And this is the lettuce that's coming along. I thinned them out, you remember, in the other video. To these dollar store containers. Remember the rabbit ate all of these. So we're just trying to keep it protected from the rabbit. And this is a carrot. Let's see if I can pull it back a little bit. You'll see it developing. Let's give it some more time. And I just thought that this garden bed was so pretty with the basil tucked in the bottom around the edges. It gave, it's giving color. And here's the pumpkin, everyone. Look at the flowers. I had to come and show y'all this. This is amazing. It's my first year growing pumpkins. But look at that. Oh my gracious. Hello. It's so pretty. We got 2 flowers. A couple flowers is coming. But this has grown. This is the cantaloupe finally giving us some action. See the flowers. You see flowers. That means you'll have fruit soon. I just trellis this up to grow vertical. And here's the sugar babies. They doing their own thing. And here's the moon and stars. No flowers yet, but you can see the leaves are so pretty. The moon and stars spots. Where's the it's just 2 plants in this bag, remember, but I see something working its way into a watermelon flower. But this is so cool, y'all. And I see little mini watermelons coming. See that? But you'll see, they'll grab onto the chicken wire and trellis itself up in the air. And this is how we're growing our melons this year. Because right over here is a deer den. They just ran away when I came back here. But we got woodpeckers and blueberry bush back here. And I know you hear the chicken. And here is Juicy. Juicy got him going crazy. Oh, she's coming back. You'll see the new leaves coming, and I just come and check for bugs. And the white powder y'all see is the 7 spray. So when I brought it outside, because it was already fruiting, I sprinkled 7 powder over top to keep the ants and bugs off of her. But she's so pretty. And this is a 5-gallon nursery pot. So I took it. Can you wait a minute. So this is the pot that I took it out of, and I put a cherry tomato in this pot. No pot's going to waste. And put it in the 5-gallon nursery pot. There's holes around the bottom. I put rocks inside to help with drainage. And we let her sit in the shade for a few days to get used to her new home. But as you can see, the lemons are, we have to wait probably to another fruiting season for us to get more fruit. But that's juicy. She's getting so big.